Hello, this is needlepointers.com, and this week's tip is on determining the size of the needle that you have in your sewing machine. Do you ever forget what size needle you have in your machine? Well, this is a great way of knowing. What I do is I take a Post-it. The size of the needle that's in my machine right now is 80, so I mark 80 on it. I cut it out, and then I paste the Post-it right on the machine. That way I will never forget what kind or what size needle I have in the machine. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please visit us at needlepointers.com for more information. We have lots of tips there on sewing, knitting, all kinds of crafts. And also, if you like this, please click the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.